In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to harness the power of Perplexity AI for your data analysis needs. Whether you're a data newbie or a seasoned analyst, this tutorial will show you how to streamline your workflow using this AI tool. So, let's dive right in. First, start by opening your browser and navigating to Perplexity AI. Once there, log into your account. If you haven't got an account yet, just follow the simple sign-up process to get started. With that done, you're all set to begin exploring various data-related prompts. Now think about what you want to achieve with your analysis. For example, you might want to type a prompt like, "Explain how to analyze sales data in Excel." Another good prompt might be, "What are the key metrics for social media performance?" These prompts help you engage with Perplexity in a way that taps into its vast data processing capabilities. Next, it's time to present your dataset to Perplexity. You can do this in two ways. Either upload your dataset directly, or if you're working with something large, just describe it in a concise manner so the AI can understand what it's dealing with. Remember to keep your description clear and to the point. This ensures that the suggestions you get will be on target and actionable. Once your dataset is input, it's time to ask for analysis methods. You might ask Perplexity something along the lines of, "Which statistical test should I use for this dataset?" This step is where the real magic happens, as Perplexity will provide insightful methods that are tailored to the specifics of your data. After receiving suggestions, you can request step-by-step instructions for the chosen analysis method. This is incredibly useful, especially if you're diving into statistical tests or complex data evaluations. Having clear, ordered instructions ensures that you're not just applying tools blindly, but are learning the process as well. As you proceed with your analysis, you might run into results that need further interpretation. In such cases, follow-up prompts are your best friend. For instance, you could ask, "Explain what a p-value of 0.03 means in this context." The AI will guide you through understanding the implications of your results, helping to deepen your analytical insights. Finally, don't forget about data visualization. It can greatly enhance understanding and communication of your findings. Ask Perplexity for ideas with prompts like, "What are the best charts to show monthly sales trends?" With these suggestions in hand, you can apply them using your preferred analysis tools, whether it be Excel, Python, or Google Sheets. By following these steps, you'll make the most of Perplexity AI to elevate your data analysis projects. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing!